عزیزم میشه یکم از من فیلم بگیری؟ خب بده، میخوام از اینجا خودم وارد ویدیو بشم. قشنگ نمون بعضی که از دستات بگیری اونجا دارم زرد کشیدم از من بگیر هر جایی میرم تو دوربین رو سمت من بگیر. اگه دور شدم یکم زوم کن، اگه دور نشدم هیچ باشه. Camille, vieni con me amico. Ciao ragazzi. Allora, qui è
Bosco.
sì,
Bosco.
Bosco in Trieste, Italia.
Come ti chiami?
Mi chiamo Giulia, molto bellissimo.
Piacere.
Piacere tu. This is jungle. We want to explore this jungle together right now. Come with us. This is very beautiful view. And this is a little bit. Guardami. This is a little bit separation jungle, protected in middle of city, Trieste. I don't know the name of this, but there is 3 jungle like this inside the city because all of this city, all of this state, the state is full of trees and jungles together. So this is a very beautiful path to walking persons to explore this place. And right now it is evening. We want to just pass a little bit part of this jungle and go home. Come with us.
Mamma mia!
Comunicazione. Allora, guarda qui. Yeah, we got it. Alright guys, I really like to explore this jungle like this, with walking, with real walking inside jungle like this, because I can't feel it on that road. I can't feel this nature, this kind of nature without walking inside it. And really I like the real jungle because it is a like very protected jungle for just, I don't know, it's not feel real for me. I like the wild and real jungles too, walking and explore, but it is beautiful, it's not bad. So yeah, we're walking here. I can see the road, it's there, another road, and it is other side of the walking path. So we continue this path. Very beautiful. But one day, I promise you all, one day I will buy all equipments that are necessary for hiking in jungle. I will full equipped go to the jungle and make a beautiful walk for you, because I like walking and living inside the jungle. we do it together. Okay, let's go up. I put this here. Let's go up and check the path and that map of jungle. این همون نیمکتایی که گفتم الان نشستم. Oh, this is not a map. I thought it is a map. And on that top, we can see some new trees that are added to the land for increasing the jungle, increasing the quantities of the jungle. And however, we can see they removed the maps of the roads, of the passes inside the jungle. I can't believe it. How was it possible? Because before I came here, we can saw the map here.